I can go ahead and subtract them. But also I'm going to expand this numerator at the same time. So what does that give me? That gives me 3x plus 15. And again, I'm writing it over one common denominator now, but I have to subtract this 3 because I'm subtracting this numerator over x plus 5. And then I just tidy this up, right? This is going to be 3x and then plus 15 minus 3, that's plus 12. And if you notice, I can factor out a 3 there, and you should always look to factorize as much as possible when you're doing these questions, because, that's going to make everything easier to sort of simplify, when you sort of go ahead and do the division. So actually I have 3 lots of x plus 4 over x plus 5. So now what we've shown is the original expression that we're trying to evaluate is the same as evaluating this expression here, because we've rewritten this numerator as we did over here, this denominator as we did over here, and we've combined these two terms into a single fraction. And then we're dividing, this fraction by this fraction, but the same rules apply. Just because it's algebraic fractions doesn't mean we treat them any differently to normal fractions, in the sense that when I'm dividing two fractions, well, I can just keep this one the same and flip this one upside down and change the divide to a multiply, right? So, your kind of usual keep, change, flip, the usual way you would divide fractions. And then I just multiply the numerators, multiply the denominators. So I just wrote that all out just to save me writing it out explicitly and wasting everyone's time. So we have then, just multiplying the numerators, the following. And again, maybe some of you can see how to cancel things from this previous step, and that's fine. I'm just trying to write everything out as explicitly as possible, for those who can't quite see it. So we have x minus 4, x plus 4. I've just brought this 2 to the front of the chain of multiplication. Doesn't make a difference. I can multiply things in any order. And now I've got this, I can then start to cancel common factors in the numerator and denominator. So I have an x plus 5 and an x plus 5 here, an x plus 4 and an x plus 4 here, okay? And the reason they cancel is you can sort of imagine pulling these out and you have x plus 5 of x plus 5, which is just 1, right? So it just basically amounts to multiplying by 1. So what I'm left with is 3 lots of x minus 2 in the numerator and 2 lots of x minus 4 in the denominator. So I can expand those back out now because I want to write the answer in this particular form. That's why I'm going to be expanding them back out. And so doing this, I have 3 lots of x minus 2, that's 3x minus 6, and then 2 lots of x minus 4, that's 2x minus 8. And that means that overall my a is 3, my b is minus 6, my c is 2, and my d is minus 8. And that's our final expression here.